everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'll show you here in a second. It's a size medium, but it is some padded shorts. So we're gonna give this thing a try, see how they are. Open it up and I'll show you guys what it is. So these are them. So if you look at it, it's got huge amounts of padding on your butt and everything, and not so much in the front, but I got a size medium, so I'm gonna try these things on, and then we're gonna try, see what we can do. Okay, so I got them on. And see if I was to do skateboard like this, and I fall on my butt, oh, let's see what happened. Oh, it would be soft and padded. Man, that is padded, so it's pretty nice. I can totally bounce on this in any direction, and it's gonna be comfortable. Not gonna hurt my sit bones or anything. I've actually used this for lots of things, so it's super cool. So very nice to have some padded pants like this, so I could do some sports and stuff. Might actually take it skiing with me too, because sometimes I fall and get skid. Don't even like it, but cool as that. So these are neat. So these are neat shorts. Lots of bumps on it. Might want to wear them under something so I don't look so, not like I'm wearing a diaper, but very cool. I like it.